Well, guys, we are over here at the Wilderness Lodge, if I can say it correctly.
Wilderness Lodge.
Yes.
We have a dining reservation.
For Whispering Canyon.
Uh-huh.
Which is kind of like all you can care to eat type
like
place.
Family style, like we're used to now because of COVID.
Mm-hmm. But we're really excited. We've never been here.
Yeah.
We're like, oh wow.
Our first time again at a new place, which is great.
Yeah. Well, full disclosure, I thought it was at the place that we're staying at, but it's
not.
okay. It's not.
It's
But
only
we're really
like
excited.
a 5-minute drive, if
Yeah.
that.
It's right there by Magic Kingdom. Magic Kingdom is right behind you guys on camera. But guys, if you are new here, hello, hi, and welcome.
Thank you so much for checking us out. Hopefully you subscribe, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to comment,
like, and share with your friends and family, which you already said. And don't forget to sign up for notifications. Hit the bell notification. She threw me off with how she did it, but it's okay.
Hey, surprise, surprise.
Guys, we hope you enjoy this video, and hopefully when you come here, maybe you like the food.
Yeah, or comment below what we should get next time, or what we do get, because we don't know what we're getting.
Oh, the good thing is you don't have to have theme park tickets to come here. Just saying, get some Disney on. Enjoy the video, guys. Alright guys, so here's the menu. We scanned the QR code, so you know the deal with that. And this is what they got. All you care to eat. The skillets. Some of it looks pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. And then you got your main claim. So we don't know, this is our first time being here, so we'll have to ask some questions about how this whole thing works. Got the snacks. You got the kids on appetizers. And then they have their stuff there. And then that's that for the English, and then on the back side you have Spanish, French, and Portuguese. Okay, so we just found out that you can order any skillet per person, so the price is $34 per person. And if that is too much food, you can always order one of the entrees. So like, for example, Amber's going to order the salmon, and I'm going to order the traditional skillet. And what they recommend is, like, you can choose one or the other, and that way you can always mix and match if you want to try something. So if you want like a land by the sea, a land and sea, and the other one wants just a traditional, you can do that. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. If you didn't hear, you have to have your mask on until you have your food and drink.
Well, your drinks,
at least your drinks on the table. So, but that's our plan. We'll see how everything goes. I don't think we're gonna get a starter because it just seems like it's too much food. All right. So when you order a skillet, you get coleslaw. Oh, these things are all this. Anyway, and then you also get cornbread and honey butter. Looks pretty good, and it looks it looks like cakey cornbread. That's a good cornbread right there. And she's gonna be brave and try the coleslaw. Okay, so this cornbread is amazing. Now we did try the butter. The butter's not bad. It had like a kind of a strong citrusy honey taste to it, but it is what it is. But Amber tried coleslaw.
With the coleslaw, it's good, but I'm not a coleslaw person, so at least I tried a little bit. There's more than this. I ate quite a bit of it, actually. But the cornbread is amazing.
It is. It is. It is. And it's very cakey, so it's like you don't want to eat a lot. But you kind of do. Okay, you guys can't smell it. But this smells really, really, really good. So we got the chicken, we got the mashed taters, we got pulled pork, you got the ribs. There's a sausage right there. That might be the brisket. No, that's brisket right there. Corn, beans, and Amber got the salmon, which I'm not a salmon person, but that looks pretty amazing too.
So I got the salmon and I got this stuff. Unfortunately, I cannot pronounce it because it's like French or something like that. Yeah. But I'm gonna try it for you guys and I'll let you know. But look at that salmon. Oh, we still have cornbread.
Okay, so we really tore into this skillet. Amber.
So my salmon was really, really good, but I don't like the bottom part, so that's why it's gone. Excuse our messy table and plates. This was really, really good. The rice that I got, I ate some of Brian's because we kind of shared it, so I didn't eat everything on here. But there's still a lot left over, and we have cornbread still.
So I think out of all this, the chicken was the best part. The brisket, maybe because it's the end of the night, was a little dry. And there's a lot of pulled pork. A lot of pulled pork. But it wasn't bad. The mashed potatoes were really good. The mashed potatoes weren't as good as Garden Grill, but they were really good. Very flavorful. So, but I was going to order more, but then I was like, no, I probably shouldn't. So, everything so far has been decent. Just as a reminder, when you have the all you care to eat, or the family style type stuff, they will let you order more, and you don't have to get the full thing again. So let's say, for example, like I wanted more chicken, I could just say, hey, can I get more chicken, please? And they'll bring out more chicken, and they won't bring out a whole new, helping of food. But all in all, though, it was really, really good. Well, we're done.
And we're stuffed.
We are. There's a lot of food, but honestly, the food was good.
It was pretty good. Like we said, we think not as good as Garden Grill. But that's our opinion. Come and try it out for yourself.
For sure. You
do get an annual pass holder discount.
You do.
Which is
10%.
10%.
But yeah, other than that, the atmosphere is really cool. The lobby while you're waiting to be sat.
It's pretty
interesting.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's all Native American.
How much was our bill?
$68 with tip.
With tip, after the discount.
After discount.
And we got one skillet, and I got the salmon.
Yep.
And drinks.
So, but yeah, so there's a lot of different things that you can do while you're waiting. They even have a cool little shop that we showed. So, I don't know.
Yeah, I thought it was small, and then you walk around, and it's...
Yeah, it opens up.
So, oh, my hair. It's a little windy.
Just a reminder, when you are sitting down waiting for your food, you have to have your mask on, and your drink and food. So
if you get your drinks first, you can take your mask off.
Right. But yeah, if you made this far, thank you so much. We really do appreciate all the love and support you guys give us, and we will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.